Good morning everyone, day 2, Teresa here. So I'm gonna do the big reveal. I start liking this, so ta-da! I woke up like this, Right, so first thing, don't trust people who post pictures like I woke up like this and they look amazing, because they might look like me. I know, not ideal. So what's the next step? What shall I do? If you can stay at home and you don't need to leave house, do it. But if you do, try maybe to use, well, any spray. But because I bought this collection, I'm gonna use it, you know. So this is like Ave Inspiring Spray. So I'm gonna put it on my hair and we'll see if it does anything. Right, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. Spray. Spray. Ah. They say that you don't need to put much because it's already quite, it's already concentrated. It smells nice. Right. I think that's it. That's it. And squish. Right. This. Wow. Looks so much better already. It's amazing. I can totally get out of the house now. So, right. Spray. Also, people just use just water in like in one of those bottles, and you just spray the water in the morning. I might try that as well next time. So, what's my next step? Amazing. I'm gonna use this Olaplex 3. You're probably thinking, why? What is that? So, thanks to one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, which is called Curly Girl Wavies Type 2A to 2C, I got recommended this amazing at-home treatment that they use in salons. But because it's number 3, that means that it's like this at-home treatment that you're using for damaged bleached hair. So don't buy 4, 5 or even 1, 2. I should have started with a 1, 2, but okay, 1, 2 or 4, 5, because they use them in salons. But buy number 3 and you can use it at home. So I'm good. That's my next step. I'm gonna use that and we'll see how it goes. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Also, any recommendations, any advices, please, I'll be more than happy to know, because I'm still so new, and I'll tell you all about it after I try the Olaplex 3. Bye.